In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas and functions in Microsoft Excel. If you're new to Excel, formulas and functions are some of the most useful tools you can learn. They help you calculate values automatically, save time, and reduce mistakes compared to doing everything manually. In this example, we'll create a simple formula to calculate totals. Copy that formula to the rest of the rows, and then use a common Excel function. To begin, click on cell D2. This is where the total for the first product will appear. Choosing the correct cell first is important because Excel will place the result of your formula right there. Next, type the formula equals B2 times C2 written as x B2 to C2 and then press enter. What this does is multiply the value in cell B2 by the value in cell C2. In many spreadsheets, this is commonly used to multiply a quantity by a price or one value by another related value. As soon as you press enter, Excel calculates the result automatically and displays it in cell D2. One helpful thing to remember is that every formula in Excel begins with an equal sign. That tells Excel you want it to calculate something instead of treating the entry like plain text. Now that the first formula is working, select cell D2 again. This step is important because we're going to reuse the same formula pattern for the rest of the rows. Move your pointer to the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it downward to copy the formula into the remaining rows. Excel will automatically adjust the cell references as it goes. So if the first formula uses B2 and C2, the next row will change to B3 and C3, then B4 and C4, and so on. This is one of the fastest ways to apply the same calculation across a list. After that, you can start using common functions in Excel. Functions are built-in formulas that make calculations even easier. They're especially useful when you want to add average, count, or analyze data without typing a longer formula from scratch. To calculate a total using a function, enter x sum b2 c2. The sum function adds all the values in the range from b2 to c2. This is a simple example of how functions work in Excel. Instead of manually adding values one by one, Excel does it instantly for you. As you practice, you'll notice that formulas are great for custom calculations, while functions are perfect for common tasks. Once you get comfortable with both, working in Excel becomes much faster and more efficient.